What's up, y'all? How's it going? So Chicago is known for many things. Its beautiful architecture, the skyline, the weather. Like today, if you're lucky, you can catch all 4 seasons in one day. But Chicago is mostly known for its delicious food, from Michelin star restaurants to street vendors. Chicago has so many different nationalities and ethnicities. Depending where you are in the city, you're guaranteed to find something delicious to eat. Today we are off at 9094 at Jim's Original to get a bone-in pork chop sandwich. They've been doing this for over 80 years, so that you know they're doing it right. So we're gonna go check it out and get us a sandwich.
All right.
Can I get 2 chops, extra mustard, extra onions?
Okay, 2 pork chop, extra mustard, extra onions.
Extra mustard, extra onion, yes, please. All right, let's see what we got here. Look at that bone sticking out of the paper. Grilled onions, that mustard, that chop. You can smell these onions from right off the expressway. So what we're gonna do is show you how to make one of these at home if you don't live in Chicago and aren't fortunate enough to come and grab one. So let's go to the kitchen. We're gonna start off with seasoning this with salt and pepper. So I got this nice pork chop from Butcher and Larder, a local shop here in Chicago. We're gonna julienne this onion and get it cooked in a hot cast iron skillet. Now we're going to add our onions to a hot cast iron skillet. Make sure your skillet is smoking hot so you get a good caramelization on it. Cook that for about 3 minutes, then we're going to add our pork. Don't forget to season your onions with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now that we have our onions all nice and caramelized, we're going to add our pork chop. So we're gonna flip this and make sure we keep the juices in the chops. Now that our pork chop is cooked, we're going to smother it in the onions and turn off our heat. So we're gonna spread some mustard on the bottom and the top of this bun and add our pork chop and onions to it. I like extra mustard and extra onions on my pork chop sandwich. My cameraman hates mustard, so he does not get a piece of this one. And there we have it, Maxwell Street style pork chop sandwich. Do yourself a favor, next time you're in Chicago, go down to Jim's and get you a chop or a Polish. You won't be disappointed. But if you can't come to Chicago anytime soon, you can make this at home. Until then, take care. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Tell a friend. Until next time, peace out.